Hello, my name is John Lee from Dashboard Dudes, and I am answering this question for N. Shively. And the question is essentially that there is a data set that has numbers such as between -10 and -25, only wants to show the top 10. Remember, it's negative, so the higher the negative number is, the lower it is actually. But the problem is, wants the colors to be very dark red for the -25 and pink for the lighter, for the not as low colors, and running into an issue. Okay, let's go see what's going on. So I got it like this, and I think this is what you want to do, where the -25, or like in my instance, -25, -32 is the lowest number, it's pink, and the darkest one is dark red. So how did I do it? Because I'm using heat map instead of table. So that is a little trick that I don't know if you know about, but I would see if you're open to using that. Now, there is a caveat that you can only really have. Uh, I'll show you how to use it, but let's go into it. So if you do table, by the way, and you do it this way, if you go to table, I'm going to take this thing out and I go here, and let's say we have it this way, and you go to heat map options, color is heat map, theme, blah, blah, blah. This is what you're running into, right? Where your lowest number, which is -25, -32, is the darkest one. That's what you don't want. You want to reverse the color direction. And unfortunately, using the using the table and using heat map options is not going to work. Not going to help you out. However, if you use heat map and you so how this works is you have to have like an x-axis and a y-axis ish, and they have to do two different categories of things. So if you want to have multiple columns where there are different colors, you might be a little screwed. So it might not help you out as much. However, if you don't want that and you just make a fake column, so I made one called proxy, which I just put a 1 in here. That's all that is. And you can put whatever you want in there. It doesn't matter. And I slap that in there. And oops, I'm at proxy on this side, and I have state. Whatever. This is fake data. So now what I have is I have a bunch of states on my y-axis, and I have a bunch of numbers. So how did I do this thing where the colors are different? Because in heat map, you can reverse the order. If I go here, reverse color direction, now I can change the colors to do it that way. So if you only have one column where you want these numbers to be this way, then you're fine. If you want multiple, you're kind of screwed and your table is going to suck. However, what you can do if the numbers are changing by not that much, I know you wrote that you don't want to do it in ranges. You could put color ranges to do it, but it's a little bit manual. But at least this way, you're kind of done with it. So hopefully that helps you out. Hey, in addition, if you go to my website, dashboarddudes.com/pantry, this is my website. I have a bunch of video answers over here that I've answered questions that you might have or other people might have. You can see that, and you can see what else is up. I also have courses on how to use Domo, a lot of tricks, all that type of stuff. But anyway, hope that helps, and I wish you good luck. Bye.